Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start online class organized by Hope International Academy. So I will solve some question and then I will give the same type of question which you have to solve in your home. Okay. So let's start. Set for class 10. Okay. Some basic concept which we have to understand is that if two sets A and B are given, then at first we have to understand in Venn diagram. Okay, so suppose this is set A and this is set B. Okay, so in this two set A and B, the common part is this. This common part is called N A intersection B. Okay, and this is N A, set A, and this is N B, and this part, only this part is known as N only A, and this part is known as N only B. This part is known as N A union B complement. You have to remember these things. Okay. Now note, in question if it says 10 students like both, then both means it is intersection, and if it says 20 students don't like both, then it means complement. Suppose in question if it says both or as well as, then it denotes N A intersection B. Okay, and if in question says don't like both, okay, and neither, this type of things if comes, then you have to say N A and B complement. Okay, so and if only once, it means N only A plus N only B. There are many things we will discuss after when we will solve the question. So now I will do one question and I will give one question which I will solve here. Then after solving this question, I will give you classwork which you have to solve in your home. So the question is here. First question I am going to write. I will write the question also and I will do the solution also. So first question is, in a survey of people, comma, it was found that 70% people like 70% like folk song, comma, 60% like modern song, comma, 4,000 people like both song, and 10% don't like any song. Okay, so find, in one number it says the total number of people, and in second number it says number of people who like folk only, folk song only. Okay, so I will do this solution. First of all, this 70% like folk song, this denoted by F, and modern song denoted by M. So let F and M denotes the number of people who like folk song and modern song. Folk song and modern song. So in percent always NU is 100%, NF how much? 70%, NM 60%. Here the question is saying 4000 people like both. What is the meaning of both here? N intersection B. A means F, B means M. So N F intersection M is equal to 4000. See, every data is in percent, but this is in number. So let this data be also in percent. Okay. And here is saying 10% don't like. Don't like means complement. N F union M complement equal to 10%, and NU equal to what? But in number. Okay. So now we have to draw a Venn diagram. Here folk song, modern song, intersection how much? X%. So X%. Folk song how much? 70. 70 minus X, 60 minus X, and here 10. So from Venn diagram, this use all. From Venn diagram, okay, this add this and do equal with 100% because its total is 100%. So 70 minus X plus 60 minus X plus 10 equal to 100. This plus minus cancel. 70 plus this we have to add 140. 140 minus X equal to 100. Then this X will go there. 140 minus 100 equal to X. Therefore X equal to 40%. But we have to find what? Total number of people. So if suppose total is NU, then this 40% is what? Intersection. So 40% को टोटल को 40% निकाल्दा के आउँछ भने इंटरसेक्शन आउँछ. त इंटरसेक्शन हामीलाई दिएको छ 4000, त्यही भएर टोटल को 40% गर्दा यो आउँछ भनेर योसँग इक्वल गर्ने. नाउ 40% of NU is equal to 4000. Now solve this. 40 divided by 100 into NU is equal to 4000. Cross multiply. NU is equal to 4000 into 100 divided by 40. Therefore NU is equal to this 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4. 1 2 3 4. 2 3 4. This our total came. This one number answer finish. Now in second number, find the number of people who like folk song only. Folk song is what? 70 minus X. So it will come in percent. Then we have to change percent into total. N only F is equal to 70 minus X is equal to 70 minus 40 is equal to 30%. Therefore N only F is equal to 30% of 10,000. थर्टी डिवाइड बाय 100 इंटू 10 1 2 3 दुईटा जीरो कटिहाल्छ अनि यो मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौ भने 3000 हुन्छ एन्सर. यो दुईटा एन्सर फिनिश. अब यस्तै टाइपको क्वेशन्स म 2-3 वटा लेखिदिन्छु जुन तिमीहरूले चाहिँ घरमा गर्नुपर्छ है. ल अब सेम यस्तै टाइपको 2 अथवा 3टा क्वेशन लेखिदिन्छु. ल त्यो तिमीहरूले सब चाहिँ घरमा बसेर पुरै गर्ने है. हुन्छ. र यदि कसैलाई कुनै डाउट छ भने त्यो क्वेशन्सहरू चाहिँ कमेन्टमा गर्दा हुन्छ, किनभने हामी यो भिडियो चाहिँ युट्युबमा पनि अपलोड गरिदिन्छौँ र चाहिँ हाम्रो मेसेन्जरमा एउटा ग्रुप पनि छ होपको. त्यो ग्रुपमा पनि तिमीहरूले चाहिँ क्वेशन्सहरू हाल्न सक्छौ जुन चाहिँ त्यसको सोलुसन म पठाइदिन्छु. ल म क्वेशन लेखिदिन्छु है. ल 1 number question this. Now 2 and 3. 2 number. ल यो दुईवटा क्वेसन सायद तिमीहरूले गर्नुपर्छ है आफै। ल थ्याङ्क यू सो मच आजको लागि यति नै। नेक्स्ट क्वेसन्सहरू पनि अर्को योभन्दा गाह्रो गाह्रो क्वेसन्सहरू पनि हामी भोलि पर्सि अथवा नेक्स्ट विकमा गर्नेछौँ।